Hey crafters, today I'm going to be starting a new series where I make crafts for dolls or just for decoration that I think you might like. Today I'll be making a mini magic carpet ride in a jar from Disney's Aladdin. For this craft you will need a clear jar, 4 circular beads, pillow stuffing, clear string, scissors, a needle, oven-baked clay, ribbon, yellow, metallic red, purple, and light blue acrylic paint, and a hot glue gun, and make sure to have an adult supervision when using hot glue. So to start this off, we're going to take our oven-baked clay, and to start this off, we're going to take our oven-baked clay, and we're going to split it in half. And make it into a flat square. Like this. Then you're going to fold it like that so it has a carpet shape. And then bake it in the oven at 175 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I already made that ahead of time and I painted mine. It looks like this, and I accidentally cracked it. So for our next step, we're going to take the clear string that I cut to size. Then you're going to take your hot glue gun, and you're going to glue the string in between. You can use the needle to poke the hole. I broke mine accidentally, and you're just going to add some glue right there, and add one tip of the string facing up. Then I'm going to glue the rest of the side to mine. And then you can let it, and you can glue it to the side. Then you're going to take your clear jar and your pillow stuffing. Then you're going to take your jar and add the pillow stuffing into the jar for some clouds at the bottom. We're going to leave that, we're going to close it back up, and then we're going to use our ribbon, and you can either loop it through here to make the ribbon to make the jar a little bit more pretty. So you can just loop it through here. You can either tie it into a bow or just glue it shut, or just glue it on the jar. You can then cut it to size. And glue the ends together. Like this. Then you're going to open your jar and make sure that the rest of the ends are glued shut. Like that. So the jar looks like this. Then you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to take your ribbon, from the top of your magic carpet, and you're going to take the top of the jar and you're going to put some glue. Okay. You're going to put some glue right at the top, so it looks like that. And you're going to take the top of the top string of the magic carpet and place it right in the glue and let it dry for a few minutes. This is my third time trying to do this. And just let it sit. Let some extra string just sit up top, so it has more support. If you need to, keep adding some glue to put more extra string into it. And then you can lower that into there, so it kind of look like it's floating. And then if you want to, you can take your magic carpet and glue on the small circular beads. So you can just take the edge, you can just take one bead and place it, the 4 beads, and put glue on the edges of the magic carpet. And glue on the beads. And let that dry for a few minutes. While you're waiting, if you want, you can glue on some more fluff for clouds onto the lid of the jar. You can glue some fluff to the sides to look like other clouds just floating past. Going to secure the ribbon a little bit more. And now that the magic carpet's finished, you can lower it into the jar. Make sure it's not facing the clouds, and then secure the lid. And now you've finished your mini magic carpet ride in a jar from Disney's Aladdin. See you next time. Bye!